In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in ActiveCampaign. First, you'll need to head over to activecampaign.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard, locate and click on Website, then select Forms from the drop-down options. Now, at the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Create a Form. Go ahead and click that to start your form creation process. Now let's give your form an identity. You'll need to pick a name for your form. This could be something straightforward like newsletter signup or contact form, whichever suits your needs best. Next, it's time to select the type of form that best fits your needs. ActiveCampaign offers several types. First, there's the inline form, which is embedded directly within a page. Then you have the floating bar, which appears at the top or bottom of a page. Similarly, the floating box is a small pop-up that can appear on screen. And finally, there's the modal, a full pop-up window that overlays on the page. Once you've figured out which type you like, just click Next. After choosing your form type, you need to decide what happens when someone submits your form. You've got a few options here. You can add subscribers to a particular list, perhaps your subscribers list, or you can add a tag to help organize your contacts. Additionally, you have the option to start an automation, which can be handy if you have workflows set up. Once you've made your choice, click Create. You'll now find yourself in the form builder. Here, you can really make the form your own by customizing it. Simply drag and drop elements like first name, email address, phone number, or any custom fields you might need. Feel free to play around with the labels, button text, and the general layout until it looks just right. When you're happy with the customization, switch over to the Options tab found at the top of the page. This is where you decide what happens after a user submits your form. You might want to show a success message or perhaps redirect them to another page, like a dedicated thank you page. To really make your form pop, visit the Style tab. Here you can tweak the design by changing colors, fonts, and button styles to reflect your brand's unique personality. When you're satisfied with everything, click Integrate in the top right corner. This will open up options for you to embed your form. You can choose from an embed code, HTML, use a WordPress plugin, or go with a share link hosted via ActiveCampaign. Copy the embed code and paste it directly into your website, or if your site runs on WordPress. Utilize the plugin for seamless integration. Pro tip: if you're using a page builder like Elementor, Divi, or Squarespace, you can simply add an HTML block and paste your embed code there for easy placement. There you have it, a fully customized and integrated form ready to go in ActiveCampaign.